If I fall in, save the camera.
Save you first.
No.
Should I throw it?
Yeah. It's real hard to see.
Good girl. No, Sam. Sam.
Sammy.
Go the other way.
Or not.
Sammy. Over here.
Are you recharging the electric battery with that thing, Bob?
Yeah.
Are you? Somebody just left.
Yep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Tired? You're all out of breath.